Meaning of diaphanous.
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 Diaphanous. The term diaphanous refers to something that is translucent, transparent, or sheer, allowing light to pass through it. This word is often used to describe delicate fabrics such as silk, chiffon, or lace, which are light and airy in texture and appearance. When an object is diaphanous, it appears ethereal and delicate, creating a subtle, almost mystical atmosphere. The effect of diaphanous materials can be seen in fashion, with billowing dresses or drapes that have a dreamy, otherworldly quality. Overall, the term diaphanous evokes a sense of delicate beauty and gracefulness.